Before starting the engine, never stand directly in front of the machine to avoid accidents. Inspect the overall machine appearance and the condition of its parts to ensure there are no leaks or loose components. First, rotate the emergency stop button on the both side, then connect the main power supply, and then turn on the power switch on the remote control. Next, we will use the remote control to control the device to move forward, backward, and rotate. This lever is used to control the machine's speed. You can switch between high and slow speeds. This lever can be used to adjust the cruise control. This machine is equipped with a manual width adjustment device. By adding an auxiliary hand crank, the machine width can be adjusted by turning the handle to adapt to different field or sight widths. For faster adjustments, auxiliary tools can be used to enhance efficiency. The machine supports manual height adjustment. First, install the height adjustment auxiliary device to raise the body to the desired operating height. Then, insert the fixing screw into the corresponding positioning hole and tighten it to complete the height setting. The following are the steps to start the engine. First, open the choke, and then ensure that the fuel valve is in the open position. Turn on the throttle switch. Hold the start switch to the second gear position, and release it once you hear the engine starting roar. The switch will automatically spring back to the first gear. After the engine is running normally, close the choke to complete the starting process. The following are the operating steps for the SPRY system. First, activate the equipment's robotic arm and main valve switch. Then, sequentially open the water outlet valves on both the left and right sides. Next, use the remote control to operate the spray arm for dispersing the chemical agent and commence the spraying operation. Turning the switch down initiates spraying, while turning it up halts the operation. Finally, here's the procedure for shutting down and wrapping up. First, use the remote control to stop the dispensing of chemicals. Then, press the engine button to the 0 gear position. Next, retract the mechanical arm and drive the equipment to a safe location. Close the throttle and the fuel valve, and turn off the main power supply. Finally, press the emergency stop button and turn off the remote control power. Additionally, clean any residual chemicals from the machine body, inspect the pipelines and components, and perform maintenance.